So for me, using active learning provides this opportunity to get the students beyond just being participants and present in class to being teachers as well, to being clients, but also being team members. The strategies I'll really be aiming to demonstrate in the session I'll be offering are primarily centered around this think, pair, share approach, as well as a bit of a role play scenario. So pairing you guys up at the start, giving you the scenario, this case to think over, and then working together as a team to play the role as the teacher, to play the role as the client, and overall to play the role as team members. The benefits that I've really found with active learning are an increase in student engagement, student experience, as well as a chance to further develop myself as well as an academic and to challenge my own teaching and learning strategies.